Hello again, friends, and welcome back to episode 30 of Free Pokemon Cards, where every week we open a pack of Pokemon cards and give them away to one lucky winner. The rules of the giveaway are simple. Subscribe, like the video, and comment below your 3 favorite Pokemon out of the pack. If your 3 favorite Pokemon match my 3 favorite Pokemon, I will send you the whole pack. Alright, and today is Judgment Day for the current ETB we've been ripping packs out of, because this is the 9th and final pack out of the ETB, and so far the ETB has been pretty dookie. We only had a holographic energy, not the gold energy, and a Ninetales EX card, not the full art. So if this pack is a bust, then that is probably the worst product I've opened so far out of 151. So really, if this has anything less than a special illustration rare, it's pretty whack. Really, it needs to have a Charizard. Shelder, Helix Fossil, Slowpoke, Magmar, Rapidash, Nidorina, Raticate, Daisy's Help, Reverse Holo. That's actually pretty cool. It's been really hard to find the reverse holo trainer cards. Maybe that's good luck. Slowbro, reverse holo, Nidoking, holographic. That's a bust. And the energy. Yeah, so that current ETB we went through was hot garbage. But anyways, friends, comment below your 3 favorite Pokemon out of the pack. And until next time, keep on catching.